Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandria here. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I do my easy half up, half down hairstyle with a half wig. It's like a 10-minute hairstyle, perfect for when your hair is not done and you have somewhere to be. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. My cousin put me on to this hairstyle. It's so helpful when you just need a quick hairstyle and want to get out the door and your hair is not done like mine. I have been rocking this bun for forever. And so, like, as you can see, my hair is kind of like permanently stuck in this bun. That's actually not totally a bad thing for the purpose of the half up, half down. So let's get into it. I want to oil my scalp a little bit. I guess I don't really know if this is oil or serum. I'm using the Sacred Edge drops. So the first thing I'm going to do, first of all, is to make a half up, half down. I'm going to put my hair in the back in a very low bun and try to make it as flat as possible. Then I like to get my ponytail right. I'm using the Gummy Edge Control. I'm just putting this on my edges. It's not going to be that hard for me to make a ponytail because my hair is already low-key, high-key in a ponytail, as it has been for the last like 2 weeks. Then your next step is going to be to make your ponytail. You want your pony to be kind of high because you're trying to like get that I Dream of Jeannie hairstyle look. A lot of times after this step, I'll put my scarf on while I do the rest of it, but I'm not going to do that for right now for the purposes of the video. But you know, sometimes my hair needs a little extra help to lay down, so I will usually put my scarf on, but I won't bore y'all with that. The next thing you're going to do is grab your half wig. This is a synthetic half wig, obviously. Probably cost me like $30. I've already worn it a couple times, so I am like doing a little bit of detangling right now. So usually when I take off my half wig, I already have like the ponytail piece picked out, so I don't have to do that part. But what you want to do when you get your half wig is pick a little piece out of the top to be your ponytail. So I also tend to like put my bobby pins on here. You are going to need bobby pins for this. You're going to want to just put your half wig on in the back, and you want to get it up high underneath your ponytail. Then you're just going to clip that in. I'll put it up underneath my bun with the combs. And with that, the bottom part of your half up, half down is done. I need to do some detangling, yeah. What you want to do is grab your ponytail and the top piece that you had out of your half wig. You grab them together. You get your extra ponytail holder and you put them in a ponytail together. What you want to do is you want to wrap your ponytail around the base of the synthetic ponytail. You'll want to have like blow dried hair, or sometimes if your hair is really poofy, you might want to flat iron it some to make sure that your ponytail that you're going to wrap around the base is not like a totally different texture than your hair, than your synthetic half wig. So I'm just wrapping it around the base super tight because I don't feel like blow drying my hair right now. I'm gonna try to make it as tight as possible so that it doesn't look poofy. So I got it around the base, and then this is where you're gonna use your bobby pins to secure it. Alright, so this is kind of like the look, but I want to make sure that I secure my base with a few more bobby pins. Okay, so I kind of got my I Dream a Genie look going. It's super cute. And then the last step that I like to do is take the bobby pins and then just make sure I secure the sides of my halfway, because there's no combs on the sides. It just gives me some extra security that it's not gonna fall off. I know it's not gonna fall off because it's literally attached to my ponytail, but it gives me that extra peace of mind. So this is really the finished look for the most part. I do definitely need to tie down my edges, so I am gonna do that, but for the most part, this is the look. I love doing this hairstyle because it's so quick and easy, and it actually looks like you went and got your hair done when you definitely did not, and you did your $30 5-minute hairstyle. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you thought of this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.